I just wanted to do a real short video real fast about soldering bezels. So here's this beautiful opal that I'm gonna set this morning. I'm gonna put it with the feather. So I take the bezel, this is really soft silver and it's called bezel wire. And I shape it basically around this guy. So I get it to the closest tolerance and then I cut it to where the edges are, you know, perfectly straight. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. See, you can barely see it, so I actually did pretty well on this one. See that little line right there? So I bend it and shape it to where it's even. And this little strip of silver you see here with the red on it, that's solder. So I put it equally on both sides. You can really see the line on the inside right there. But you want to get that such a close tolerance to where you don't want to see any light coming through it, because you want those really strong solder joints. So anyways, what I'm going to do real fast is I'm going to put some flux on it, and this flux allows the solder to flow really nicely, so it allows it to spread out. And my bottle's not working very well, so I got to figure out where the drop's coming from. There we go. Alright. Let me go ahead and start my fire. See if I can do this one-handed. Turn my propane first. Probably turn off my tanks. Let's see. Nope, I didn't. Do not need a fire that big. This little handy guy has a really strong magnet at the bottom of it that this torch is on, so it helps out a little bit. Okay. So, and hopefully the video uploads to where it's actually good quality. Every time I upload a video to Facebook, it freaking sucks. It's really blurry, and so just watch it. The silver will start to change color whenever it's ready, whenever the solder is fixing to flow. And wherever you apply the heat at, the solder is going to flow towards it. So I'm applying heat to the top so that solder can come up both sides of the bezel and come up that joint. See how it came up? So I'm going to just make sure. Don't want to do it too much because I can melt this bezel pretty easily. I had to melt lots of bezels to get good at this. And turn off my flame. And then I grab it with my copper tongs. It's hard to operate looking through a camera. So, okay, you see that big ball? That's not what I wanted, but it's okay. I can get that off of there. So I'm gonna have to sand that off. I'll take a Dremel with the abrasive disc and take it off there. But anyways, I'm gonna put it in my acid right here. It cleans off any dirty. That's pretty gross looking, but you know what? It's acid, so I would really care less how it looks. It's not that horrible either. It's just pickles, what they call it. So clean it off, and then sorry for how jumpy this video. And then I'll go clean it off. And that's that.